Here's a crazy stat. Over 85% of Americans now shop online, which means the digital economy isn't just growing, it's exploding. And the Forex trading market, it just hit 9.6 trillion in daily trading volume this April. That's not a typo, trillion, with a T. But here's the thing. While everyone's chasing the same old side hustles, there's a smarter way to potentially build real income online. And it starts with understanding which platforms actually give beginners a fighting chance. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 legitimate ways to make money online this year, and I'm putting my number 1 pick, OlympTrade, right at the top of that list. Let's dive in. Now, before we get into this, let me be real with you. I've tested dozens of platforms, read through countless reviews, and spent hours analyzing what actually works for beginners this year. Important disclosure. Trading involves real risk. In fact, studies show that between 72% and 85% of retail traders lose money. But here's what I've found. The 29% who do make gains, they're using the right platforms, the right education, and they're starting with realistic expectations. Think about it like learning to drive. Most people don't crash their car on day one because they take lessons, practice in a safe environment, and learn from experienced instructors. Trading's the same way. And that's exactly why platform choice matters. By the end of this video, you'll know the top 5 legitimate methods to earn online this year, with my number 1 pick being OlympTrade, a platform that's specifically designed for beginners but powerful enough for pros, all starting with just $10. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5 is freelancing on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. If you've got skills in writing, design, or programming, you can absolutely make money here. The online gig economy is booming and clients are everywhere. The reality? You're trading time for money and competition is fierce, but it's legitimate, it works, and it's a solid option if you're willing to hustle. Number 4 is e-commerce and dropshipping. With online shopping becoming the norm, remember that 85% statistic, selling products online has never been more accessible. The catch? You need inventory management, customer service, and marketing skills. It can be profitable, but it's more of a business than a side hustle. Still, if you're entrepreneurial, this one's worth considering. At number 3, we have content creation and affiliate marketing. Basically what I'm doing right now. Whether it's YouTube, blogging, or social media, you create content and earn through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate commissions. The upside? Passive income potential. The downside? It takes time to build an audience. You're looking at months, maybe years, before you see significant income. But once it's rolling, it can be incredibly rewarding. Number 2 is creating and selling online courses or digital products. If you're an expert in something, anything from cooking to coding, you can package that knowledge and sell it on platforms like Teachable or Skillshare. This one's great because it's scalable. Create once, sell many times. But you need expertise and you need to know how to market yourself. Not everyone's cut out for teaching, but if you are, this is golden. And now my numero uno pick, trading with OlympTrade. Let me tell you why this platform stands out this year. First off, OlympTrade was founded in 2014, so they've been around for over a decade. They're regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, and they offer compensation up to 20 KEI through their membership with the International Financial Commission. This isn't some fly-by-night operation. Here's what really caught my attention. You can start with just $10. That's less than a movie ticket. And you get access to 250 plus tradable assets, over 100 Forex pairs, 35 plus stocks, 20 plus cryptocurrencies, commodities, ETFs, and indices. But the real game changer, their free demo account with $10,000 in virtual funds. You can practice, test strategies, and learn the ropes without risking a single cent of your own money. Let me walk you through the platform itself. In July 2025, OlympTrade unveiled a completely redesigned platform specifically built for beginners. We're talking AI-powered guidance, a clean interface, and tools that don't overwhelm you with jargon. It's available on web, desktop, both Windows and Mac, and mobile apps, so you can trade wherever you are. They offer 3 account tiers: Starter, Advanced, and Expert. As you progress, you unlock benefits like commission discounts up to 20% and priority withdrawals. And get this, their fixed time trades can offer payouts up to 93%. That said, let me walk you through a simple hypothetical example to show how this could work for a complete beginner. Remember, this is for illustration purposes only, not a guarantee of results. Scenario: you've opened your OlympTrade account and deposited $50 to start small. You've spent a week on the demo account practicing with Euro or USD, one of the most popular and stable currency pairs. Let's say the Euro USD is trading at this price. Based on your practice and some basic technical analysis, maybe you've noticed a trend using the platform's built-in indicators. You believe the price might rise in the next hour. You place a fixed time trade. Investment, $10, 20% of your $50 balance. Always risk only what you can afford to lose. Direction, up. You predict the price will be higher in 1 hour. Potential payout, let's say 85% on this particular trade. Outcome A, if you're right, the price moves in 1 hour. Your $10 investment returns $18.50, $10 investment plus $8.50 profit. You've made an 85% return on this specific trade. Outcome B, if you're wrong, the price drops. You lose your $10 investment. Key point: this is why education matters. This is why the demo account exists. And this is why you never risk more than you can afford to lose. Let me be crystal clear here. Trading is risky. Remember those statistics I mentioned earlier? Most retail traders lose money. OlympTrade gives you the tools, the education, and the practice environment. But success depends on you learning, practicing, and managing risk properly. Think of it like learning any new skill. You wouldn't expect to be a pro guitar player after 1 week, right? Same with trading. Use the demo account. Take advantage of their educational resources. Start small. And never ever invest money you can't afford to lose. So why did I pick OlympTrade as my number one? Low barrier to entry, $10 minimum. Beginner-friendly platform with AI guidance, risk-free practice with demo account, 250 plus assets to trade, regulated and established company, educational resources to help you learn mobile trading flexibility. I can go on all day. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about having access to a legitimate platform that respects beginners, provides proper tools, and lets you learn at your own pace. All right, let's recap. We've covered 5 legitimate ways to make money online this year: freelancing, e-commerce content creation, digital products and trading with OlympTrade. Each method has its place, but if you're looking for something with low entry costs, massive learning potential, and the ability to trade anytime, anywhere, OlympTrade is where I'd start. Here's your takeaway. The digital economy is growing faster than ever, and this is the year to position yourself in it. But whatever path you choose, commit to learning, start small, and stay consistent. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making strategies. Want to try OlympTrade? I've got a link in the description below. Full transparency, that's an affiliate link, which means if you sign up through it, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It's how I support this channel and keep bringing you content like this. Remember, start with the demo account. Practice, learn, and only trade with money you can afford to lose. Drop a comment below and let me know, which of these 5 methods are you going to try first? Are you team freelancing, team e-commerce, or are you ready to dive into trading with OlympTrade? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now go out there and make this year your year.